everybody, it's me, Madison. So today I'm going to be testing out the Physicians Formula and Casey Holmes collab. And I love Casey. I watch her like almost every single day. Congrats on her pregnancy. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. It's so pretty. And inside it comes with almost everything. Eyeshadows, blush, highlighter, lipstick, and a perfume. And yeah, I'm going to be following her night look. So yeah, I already got my foundation, eyebrows, and concealer, so we just have to do face makeup. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna get Tropic Like It's Hot and put that in the outer V. Then you're gonna get the Palms, which is a green. And you're gonna put that all over your lids, and yeah. So the green isn't really working for me. In the picture, it looks like it goes all the way around, so that's what I'm gonna do. That definitely worked. But there's the eye look. So it's really simple. So now I'm just gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. So there's the eye look. Now we are going to do the face. So I'm going to start with my highlighter. And it's the limited edition butter highlighter, Just Beachy. And it's so pretty. And it's almost like a cream. And that is really good. So I'm going to actually do the brow bone and inner corner. Okay. So now it's blush, and it's called the Cooper Cabana Butter Blush. Now bronzer, I'm using the deep bronzer, and it's a butter bronzer. So now for lips, it's the limited edition Murmur Butter and Pop the Bubbly. And here's what it looks like. It is so creamy, so don't press hard. And it smells like chemicals. And it's chunky. If you blot it, it basically all comes off. It tastes bad. So now all you have to do is spray your perfume on. Butter Paradise. Ooh, it smells pretty good. So here's the completed look. So my two things I had a problem with were the lipstick and the eyeshadow. The green one especially. But all other eyeshadows are like, yeah, they're pretty good. The green was the only one I had a problem with. So yeah, but everything else is really creamy. The perfume smells good. So here's the kit again, and I really like it. And if you want to buy it, I'll leave the link down below. And I'll leave Casey's YouTube channel down below if y'all want to go check her out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Clipper 12. Bye!